Today, the advertising material industry also faces various challenges and opportunities. TOME, founded in 2004, currently operates 3 production facilities and a marketing center in China. Headquartered in Guangzhou, southern China, our team of over 80 professionals connects us to clients from all over the world. TOME has primarily focused on products such as self-adhesive vinyl, one-way vision, polar vinyl, flex banner, canvas, and all is dedicated to becoming a leader in the advertising materials industry. Over the years, TOME's products have been bestsellers in over 150 countries and regions. With a commitment to exceptional product quality and comprehensive service, TOME has earned the trust of customers worldwide. Our Zhaoqing factory, as TOME's South China manufacturing unit, has continually invested in research and development, improving technologies over the past 2 decades, and to provide the highest quality products in the industry for our valued customers. Our Shandong factory, located in Changle, Weifang City, Shandong, serves as our largest and the most recent production facility, covering an area exceeding 466,200 square meters. It offers 3 product categories, equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing machinery and production lines, ensuring that our products meet the high-quality requirements of our customers. Our Shandong factory owns a robust production team, manufacturing various products include self-adhesive vinyls, flex banners, tarpaulin, and textile products like canvas. Currently, Shandong factory has 2 vinyl production facilities, 2 coating lines in 4 counting machines, multiple facilities for flex banner and tarpaulin, with 4 calendering lines, 7 lamination lines and coated line, 14 coating lines in the textile products area, 15 cutting machines, 4 fabric inspection machines, dyeing and finishing integrated machine. Our Shandong production team, supported by extensive experience, employs industry-leading manufacturing standards to meticulously refine every aspect of the production process. Each product undergoes rigorous production processes to ensure hygiene, safety, and reliability. We keep strict quality control over every product, delivering only the best to our customers. Whether it's design, material selection, or production processes, we consistently strive for excellence. Every delivery represents our commitment to quality. In the future, we will continue to lead the advertising materials industry, offering better solutions and reliable products to our customers, and striving to be a globally recognized leading brand in the industry.